From clauses to fluency, a journey in 10 lessons. We began with something simple, a sentence with a subject and a verb. Then we added a clause. The man who lives next door is a doctor. Step by step, we learned to shorten, connect, and combine ideas, to make English flow naturally. In this 10-part series, we explored how to define ideas clearly, add detail with relative clauses, and shorten those clauses to sound smoother and more fluent. We learned how participial phrases, like feeling tired or having finished work, can show cause, emotion, time, and sequence. They make English sound alive. We use them to tell stories. Walking through the park, listening to music, I felt the sun on my face. And to describe moments. Built of stone, the old bridge crossed the quiet river. Each phrase brought rhythm, imagery, and confidence. By the end, you learned how to combine ideas, cause, time, and description, in one natural flow of English. You learned not just grammar, but how fluent English actually feels. Ten short lessons. Real progress. Real English. Thank you for following this series. If you've been watching from the beginning, congratulations. You've taken a major step from A2 level toward B1 fluency. In the next series, we begin a new theme, linking ideas and expanding sentences. We'll explore how to connect thoughts naturally using words like although, while, and as soon as. Stay tuned, and keep growing with English that moves.